So now I would like to give you a suggestion regarding minor activity during the day. Because the way you can practice walking meditation, sitting meditation, even standing meditation more effectively depends on the way you practice minor activity during the day. Because there are too many practitioners, they misunderstand that in order to get more sati, samadhi, panya, we should come to practice inside meditation hall only. That is a wrong perception, wrong understanding. So, minor activity or formal meditation relate to informal meditation. If you can practice formal meditation more effectively, you should pay attention, you should be mindful with minor activity during the day. So, for example, I will give you, when you go back to your room, or if you would like to drink water, you would like to eat, you would like to walk, that one I think you would be able to practice privately. But here, I will give you some example. When you would like to drink water, so how can you do? Observe and notice as a new practitioner, intending to drink, intending to drink, intending to drink, moving, 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 touching, 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 lifting, 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 moving, 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 moving. Moving, moving, moving. This is observe and notice within. Touching, touching, touching. Lifting, lifting, moving, 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 moving. Moving, 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 moving. Thinking, thinking, thinking. It should be slowly, naturally, and mindfully. Moving, 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 moving. Putting, 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 putting. Anytime you should put at the beginning, intending to drink, intending to walk, intending to sit. This is the way to remind yourself first before you start to do some activity, especially minor activity during the day. So when you have a lunch, breakfast as well, every time do like this, which means when you practice formally in meditation center. But during the day, in your home, maybe whenever you drive a car, whenever you take a shower, clean the room, so you can do like that. Be note and observe and notice, but it may not thoroughly anymore. It should be naturally. This is the way I would like to give you suggestion concerning minor activity. Be reminded minor activity during the day is very useful for those who have to go to practice formal meditation, walking, sitting, standing in the meditation hall. So I do hope that it might be useful for you as new practitioner to practice, to cultivate, to empower sati, samadhi, panya inside your mind. Thank you for your kind attention.